Chapter 20. Direct and Indirect Speech. Let's learn direct and indirect speech. We may tell someone what another person said in two ways. Direct speech, when the exact words of the speaker are retold using quotation marks, it is called the direct speech. She said, "I am going to school." Reported or indirect speech, when the words of a speaker are expressed by changing the tenses and the actual words, it is called the indirect or reported speech. She said that she was going to school. Let's learn formation of reported speech. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, we change the tenses as follows. Simple present changes into simple past. Direct, he said, "I play a lot in my school." Reported, he said that he played a lot in his school. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Direct, she said, "Everyone is waiting." Reported, she said that everyone was waiting. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Direct, she said, "They have always been very friendly to me." Reported, she said they had always been very friendly to her. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Direct, Deepa said to me, "I have been waiting for you since 5 o'clock." Reported, Deepa told me that she had been waiting for you since 5 o'clock. Simple past changes into past perfect. Direct, she said to me, "We stayed on hills throughout summers." Reported, she told me they had stayed on hills throughout summers. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Direct, Neha said to Pankaj, "I was waiting for your call." Reported, Neha told Pankaj that she had been waiting for his call. The past perfect tense does not change in reported speech. Direct, he said, "They had already eaten when I arrived." Reported, he said they had already eaten when he arrived. Remember, if the reported action still holds true, the tense need not change. For example, direct, she said to me, "I teach in this school." Reported, she told me that she teaches in that school. The words of nearness change into the words of distance. Words showing nearness. Words showing distance. This, that. These, those. Now, then, generally omitted. Ago, before. Come, go. Here, there. Today, that day. Words showing nearness. Words showing distance. Tonight, that night. Tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Yesterday, the previous day, the day before. Last night, the previous night. Last week, the previous week. If the reported verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of the reported speech does not change. He says, "I will go to Agra today." Direct speech. He said that he will go to Agra that day. Indirect speech. They will say, "We have come." Direct speech. They will say that they have gone. Indirect speech. Let's learn reporting questions into indirect speech. Read the given sentences. They said to me, "Are you going to school?" Direct speech. They asked me if I was going to school. Indirect speech. She said to me, "Where do you live?" Direct speech. She asked me where I lived. Indirect speech. The reporting verb is changed to asked, inquired, demanded, etc. If the question sentence begin with an auxiliary verb, we use if, whether. If the question sentence begins with a question word, we use the same word in indirect speech. Other changes are made as discussed above.